Hello everyone, it's your favorite healer, the Alchemist, and I'm here with a quick chakra reset. So the intention of this Reiki session is to reset your chakras, bring you back to Zen. I'm going to make this super quick. It's not going to be a long session, but it's still important that you find a comfortable position, whether that's seated or lying down, so that you can receive the maximum benefit from this Reiki session. And as always, remember to breathe and remember to drink your water. Now I am going to do this quickly, but I am on the beach, y'all. And I know you hear the music. I hope you can hear the music. It goes with the vibe so well. If you can hear the music, just choose to focus on that. Focus on that in the ocean waves. Let your thoughts and your worries go and just accept this Reiki. Quick chakra reset. Remembering to breathe deeply. And if your thoughts begin to wander, just focus back on your breath to bring yourself to the present moment. Because this video is so quick, you can revisit as many times as you need. So quick cleanse of your chakras. Use this video as a quick fix to wrap up the session, I'll invoke some Reiki symbols. Chakra, chakra, chakra. Chakra, chakra, chakra. Say our keys, say our keys, say our keys. Say our keys, say our keys, say our keys. Inhaling deeply. Exhaling fully out of your mouth. Give yourself a huge thanks for looking out for yourself today. Reiki is a great form of self-care. Thank yourself for showing up for yourself today. Thank you for being here. So much gratitude for everyone that watches my videos. Without y'all, there would be no alchemist. And as always, happy healing.